disciples cried unto Jesus in the midst of the storm. Jesus rose up and commanded the storm to be still. He said, "Peace, be still." The storm obeyed his voice because he created the storm.
Jesus commanded the storm to be still.
Yes, exactly. Jesus commanded the storm to be still. But do you know why he answered the prayers of the disciples instantly?
No, why?
Because he was in the boat with them. He was sleeping in the boat.
He was in the boat sleeping. Yeah.
That was why he answered their prayers immediately. Even in the midst of the storm.